Hi everyone. For an arithmetic sequence a sub n with the first term negative 18 and a common difference of 3, we're going to find the sum of this sequence here. So basically, let's see, we're going to find the sum. So we have 13 terms here. Let's first find the formula for this. So our a sub n, our explicit formula will be your first term plus n minus 1 times your common difference. And it's given here what our first term and common difference is. So that's going to be a sub n equals negative 18 plus n minus 1 times 3. And this is going to equal 3n minus 21. So let's fill some of this out. We're trying to find the sum. So this is going to equal negative 18 for the first term. And then basically you just keep adding 3. So the next one would be negative 15. Next one would be absolute value of negative 12. And again, this is your first term, your second term, and your third term. Now let's move on and not fill all these out. We can kind of skip around. And let's do the sixth term. The sixth term would be negative 3, absolute value of negative 3. Then the seventh term would be 0. We don't need to put absolute value on that. And then the eighth term would be 3. And so these two are going to match here. Now let's do the last three terms. So basically the last three terms would be a sub 11. That's going to give you 12. Again, we don't need to put the absolute value, and we need a sub 12 and a sub 13. So a sub 12, just add 3, so 15 plus 18. Now what we notice about this is that when you take the absolute value of this, you're going to get 18 plus 15 plus 12, which is this just written in reverse. So basically we just have two of these sequences here that are the same. So I can just multiply this by 2 to find the sum. I left that out. So we're trying to find the sum. So the sum is just going to be 2 times 3, and I'll start here, 3 plus 6 plus all the way to 18. All right? And we don't have 13 terms. We only have 12. So since I'm multiplying it by 2, from here to here, there's only 12 terms. We can actually disregard that 0 there. So we're taking out a term. Now using my formula here, we're going to have this equals, the number of terms now is going to be 6. So that's 6 divided by 2. Your first term is going to be 3. Your last term is going to be 18. So this is just going to be, and then we have to multiply this by 2. So that cancels. So basically what you're going to get is 6. This equals 6 times 21, and that equals 126 is the total sum. All right. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.